We're at VIR today. Welcome back to HBI Auto. My name is Kendall for those that don't know me. It's been a while since I've done a vlog and I apologize for that. Life has just been very crazy and we're trying to get out more buyer's guide videos instead of just vlogs. But with a lot of track days in the future, that's going to change. But yeah, we're here today at VIR. It is PCA Zone 2 and we're just here kind of offering support like we did with the last VIR track day. So just gonna walk around, check out some of the cool cars, obviously get some track footage, and yeah, just hang out. I love VIR. I love coming up here. It's my second time being up here at VIR, and I'm really excited because this is a weekend event, so it should be a little bit more busy or busier with just tons of P cars, which I love. I love Porsche with all my heart. So let's go ahead. Dan is here, so let's go see if we can find him. We brought the chalk Cayman S up here, as well as the 996 GT3. Another client of ours, R8, running so hard. Lost the splitter. Oh, you can't really see me. Oh, so a couple client cars are about to go out, so we're gonna look out for them. This is the red and black group, so they're like the most advanced. Really nice weather out here, actually. I'm actually really excited to be here. That 2019 Weissach package GT3 RS that I saw, and I love it. It's completely blacked out. I really want it. So hopefully I can check it out. Hopefully they'll go out this lap. I don't know. Quick little thing. We are going to be at Summit Point Raceway June 24th weekend. We're going to be there as well, kind of doing the same thing. Look for the HBI trailer and truck. We're just going to be offering tech support, fluids, tires, whatever you guys need. Dan and I will be out there, so yeah. Summit Point, West Virginia, June 24th. There's our client with the R8. It's so funny because that green GT3, that is my friend Jeff. I told him I was going to get a clip of the R8 client. I was going to get a shot of that, you know, beating the GT3. If you guys are curious about track days and stuff, we do have a fully enclosed trailer, and we also have that trackside support. 964. So if anything were to ever happen to your car, we can get you taken care of. Well, I can't. Dan can. I'm there for moral support. A couple of really clean E36s right here. I kind of like these as dedicated track cars. Nice. So it's been a little bit of time now. One of the E36 BMWs ended up, I think he hit something. I think its motor like died. And so he started spinning oil everywhere. Maybe his block or engine or whatever blew up. And so there was just a bunch of oil on the track, so they had to get it off. Especially, it was on the back straight, you know, that area of VIR. But he's okay. Driver's fine. They had to tow the car back. I'm going to insert that clip here because it's a little sad. Just typical BMW things. But everyone's back on track now. I'm going to get a couple more clips. I think the day's kind of coming to an end. I know they're running probably another hour or so. 2020 GT4 that actually came by a little bit ago, and put some clips of that in. But he came by for a diagnostic, and Dan was able to figure it out. I think he said it was like a blown vacuum line or something. Unfortunately, the car's done for the day. 996 is getting after it, and that's something that's really cool. It's just, you know, don't be afraid to come up to us at an event. Dan is super kind, and we're always down to help. It's not about making money. It's not about, you know, showing people, like showing off or whatnot. It's all about the community, and helping out where we can. And we want to keep people on track, and if that's providing fluids, you know, fixing vacuum lines or replacing tires, whatever it may be, we want to do that for you guys. So don't ever be afraid to come up to us at an event and be like, hey, can you help me diagnose this issue? Can you help me figure out what the sound is coming from? That's what it's all about. We want to just keep people on track. We want to keep people having fun, and yeah. Lock. are getting it. Nice. I don't think I've ever seen an M4 GTS on track, so it's actually that's pretty cool. I've seen M4 GT4 race cars back in the day. I did some work for a race team, but just see like an M4 GTS, have not seen one on track, so that's good to see. Wrap it up for this video, guys. If you enjoy this video, if you enjoy the track vlogs, look forward to more. We've got plenty more track days coming up and events. So if you see us out there, come and say hi. We've got t-shirts. We always have merchandise with us to give out to you guys. And again, like I said, you know, if you ever need help with track or trailering your car, please ask us. We are more than welcome to help where we can and do what we can to get you guys back on track. And that's what it's all about, just helping out the community and enjoying a race track day weekend as much as possible. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up. We'll have more track day videos coming at you soon. I said earlier, we're going to be at Summit Point Raceway June 24th that weekend. That's in West Virginia, so if you guys see us out there, come say hi. And if you need any help, any parts, tools, whatever it may be, come out and ask us. We are more than happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.